Oh, look at that.
You need to start filming. Look at that.
What?
5,000. We got to go look inside.
Okay. This is cool.
It's an international. That says Airstream on the side.
Yeah. Over there. Oh my gosh. That is roomier than I would have thought. Oh gosh.
I reckon there'd be 2 beds in here.
This is an old 8-track player. Airstream Central. I wonder what year it is.
Oh. That made me do that.
Alright, so okay, so these would be two beds. 2 bed areas.
Yeah.
Look at this cute little teeny tiny bathroom.
Oh my gosh. It's like a whole okay, so
Yeah, you got a little, you got 2 cabinets.
Oh, that's good storage.
oh wow.
Yeah, there's cabinets on the other side. Look behind you.
Okay, so a closet.
Oh, there's a little mirror.
Another closet. Oh god, you could really okay, so that's where the toilet would have gone.
It's pretty roomy.
Alright, that's cool.
Look, the little baby tub too.
Yeah. I mean you could have
It's,
you know, your kids. You know what I mean? Because most campers
there's a
don't.
ladybug. Hi, ladybug. What?
But, you know, just the 2 main bed areas, but still. And then the cabinets.
Huh. That's cool.
And then, look at this huge refrigerator.
I like that it's blue.
I know. And then the freezer up here.
Oh, that is a teeny tiny freezer.
Well, look.
You get me 1 Marie pot pie in there. Marie Calendar pot pie.
You got the sink.
That's cool.
What is this? What is this? Oh, oh, it's the
Is it a toaster?
oven
It's an oven.
on the wall. That is super
Here's
cool.
the thing, though. If you really wanted to, you could put you a little air mattress in here if you had somebody else with you.
Yeah, I guess a table would have gone here. That's something.
That is a base to a chair.
It is a cool old tractor. Well, this is
It's kind of cool to
basically
find.
a Volkswagen bus with a fiberglass kit on it. And it has its engine in it.
It's so tiny.
Man, back in the day, these were crazy popular.
What is this?
It's probably 74, 75 Super Beetle.
That
Something like that.
that somebody got really artistic with?
Yeah.
Takes a little bit of everything.
How do you know if it's a Super Beetle or not?
He said it has more water.
1972. I'm not really up on my Volkswagens, but I think the Super Beetle had a little bit bigger back end. I wonder if they got more on back there. Oh, that's a scrapper. I mean, what once was a Volkswagen at some point could end up being a Ford Taurus.
It's a pretty day.
A little bright. There we go. Woo, Lord.
Oh, God.
An international pickup truck. I need that. We can't let it.
Oh, this is cool. I don't know that I've ever seen one of these.
That is so cool.
I've never even seen one of these in person, much less in a junkyard. Tim, what is this? It has to be old because the little emblem says USA on it. Do you see that back in there? What is that?
This?
Yeah.
There's a cowbell over there.
What is that?
It's it's some type of a pressure gauge.
I mean, so it's old.
Yeah, it's
Or
definitely
vintage,
old, but
for
it doesn't
sure.
say that it's PSI or. Not 100% sure what it is.
That's
That's
cool looking.
funny.
Anyway.
Look back over there. See the cowbell? Has a price tag of $1 on it.
Well.
2F. This might be 62.
Is it this thing? I mean, you never know.
Yep. It originally went right there.
Okay.
It had a 3-speed standard in it. So clutch pedals. I wish I could get the hood up on it. I think there's an engine on it. Wait a minute. There's a secondary. Wow. Wait. Man. I found me a new pair of spectacles.
Oh, dear. So what kind of engine is this? Why is it? Wow.
If I'm not mistaken, this is an early car because it has a generator on it. So more than likely that is a 260 V8, which was only made for a very few years, and it went to the 289. And after the 289 was the 302. So
It's cool that it's in here.
it really is. There's somebody out in the world that would really want that block to restoring an old Mustang.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. Okay. See right here on the intake where it says C2OE 62.
Okay.
So this is a 1962 intake. Because they stopped generators in 65, I believe. And that's got the rare bell housing on it too. Oh man. That bell housing's worth about $250. Look, the little Ford emblem swiveled up.
Oh,
So you can
wait a
put
minute. What now? Show me again.
The Ford emblem swivels
Okay.
up so you can put your key in the...
That's neat. And the gas is below it.
Yeah, the gas is down there.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it, Cammy? That is a huge trunk. I gotta do my camera sideways to get it all.
Look how long the quarter panel is.
Oh, this is where people would stick people in the back and go to the drive-in movies.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So you pay less people. Darn, I wish we could get it open.
I didn't see any keys in it.
Darn.
This is a very restorable car.
Yeah. This is cool. It's even got this trim with it and everything.
Don't see any door tags or anything.
The roof is nice.
All of it's nice. It's in really good condition for its age, I mean. It's a shame it's in junkyard.
I mean, just had a little snafu right there, but
A good body man, believe it or not, can knock that out. I think this is a 55 or 56 Ford.
oh, look at the interior. I mean,
You could get 6 in there pretty easy.
pretty good. I bet a lot of hanky-panky happened in that seat.
Both of them.
The 50s. This gives me Back to the Future vibes.
It's crazy cool because it's a 2-door.
And him pulling her out and punching him. Oh yeah. Hanky Panky went down back here. Let's do our feet together. I love you.
The little squeak.
Look.
Man, you could put
Look how big
3 to 5 of your friends back there.
Look how big the console is in that thing. I mean, it's huge.
Good gracious. Wow, that was all kinds of fancy.
Great instrument hauling car. You can also watch crap in there.
Yeah, that's a lot going on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Might be some parts you need off this thing.
I don't know. I think it might be earlier than that, but not 100%.
Dad, you're shaking that poor A&W to death.
Okay.
It's a 09.
Yep, same year as mine.
Yours is an 08.
Oh, it had a thingy in the noodle.
Looks like a school bus from back here. Oh, wow. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, for the red one.
Yep.
I mean, it's got a little, but that's no big deal. The black part is in amazing condition.
That's in a really good shape.
Oh man, we really lucked up with that.
No, it didn't.
No. Oh.
It's broke right there.
Oh, dang it. Can you? Oh, dang. Well, we've got a whole other section to go, right?
Oh, yeah. There's a lot more to go.
A lot of people out here. Man, the last time me and Dad went to the junkyard, I mean, it was so muddy.
Yeah.
We were just fighting the red clay. Oh, yeah, because it's beyond that fence. There's an edge like mine.
There's a blue edge. Sure, it's easier to find it that way.
Yeah, my white edge just blends into every other white
Oh, yeah.
mom SUV.
Oh, yeah.
Not that mine needs any parts, really, but
No.
guess you never know. I could take a gander in it.
They don't have any rings.
Oh, it's an '08, so it's a good bit older than mine, but yeah, mine's a 13, but it looks identical. If you needed those little doodads, that would be helpful.
A lot of cars.
Change everything around.
Oh, this is not in anything interesting over here.
A lot of cars today. Like less.
Hondas and Nissans. Yeah, this isn't anything interesting. Most everything that was interesting was over there in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Just the more classics. Look at this. Lord help.
Poor Beetle did life.
Man. These are
Rough.
rough.